Give me 5 minutes and we're gonna master editing in the Instagram Edits app. First thing you'll see when you open up the app is the projects page. This is where all your previous projects are going to appear. You can start a new one by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom right, or you can hop into any of your previous projects. Now, the bottom toolbar here is where all your different pages of the home screen are, very similar to the way Instagram is set up. If we go all the way to the left, this is the stickies page. This is very cool. You can basically create these little sticky notes where you write down your video idea here. Maybe you have a bit of a script, or not a rupture, a script or an outline can go here. Boom, you add it. And now you have a sticky note right here that you can refer back to. You can use it to script your video while you're recording. And there's also some different icons on the top of the screen here. So you have your stickies at the front, but if you click on Reels, this will show you all of these saved Instagram Reels that you have to your Instagram account. So anything that you save for inspiration, you can find it right here in the Edits app as well. So you don't have to switch back and forth. The same thing for audio. All the audio tracks and the original audios that you save from Instagram will all show up right here. Now we're gonna click on the play icon on the bottom toolbar, and this is an inspiration feed. Very similar to CapCut, they have an inspiration feed where you can scroll and you can look through different reels that are doing very well. Now the thing is, this is basically matched to your algorithm of your Instagram account. So if you have a bunch of crap, useless videos that show up on your Instagram feed, the same exact thing's gonna show up here. Instagram assumes that you want to create the kind of content that you enjoy watching. So if you want to actually have some good inspiration and not a bunch of brain rot crap like I do, you have to actually,
not watch a bunch of brain rot crap.
Now moving back to the bottom toolbar, again, we have the projects page that's in the middle. That's what first pops up when you open the app. You'll have your camera right here, so you can record and yo, what up? You can start basically recording right here from that. And then the final page all the way to the right is your insights and your analytics. They show up right here, almost kind of like a YouTube Studio app or something, right? Built into the editor itself. So it's very nice that you can basically not only edit your videos with Instagram Edits, post them directly to Instagram right from the editor when you're done. You can use all of the trending sounds and music, of course, that goes viral, and we can actually edit to it, to the beat right here within the app without having to download it or anything like that. And we get all of our insights and analytics and basically like a studio view of everything that we're posting right here. So it's basically a hub. It's basically a one-stop shop for everything that you need to run your content on Instagram. So now let's jump over to the project page. We're gonna start a brand new project and just check out what the editing timeline actually looks like. So if I click on Reels here, you can see I can start editing basically directly from one of my saved reels, and I've actually never done that before. So let's see what happens if I pop that up. Okay, so it basically just brings the reel in here, and if I wanted to do like a green screen thing where I'm reacting to the video, I can basically do that this way. But we're actually not going to take that approach here. I don't really have anything that I want to react to. I just want to show you a video that I already recorded from my camera. So I'm going to go to Gallery, and then I can click on that video right here, check it, and now it comes right into the timeline, and it's basically just a quick little snippet about me talking about Instagram Edits. So the most common thing people are going to be looking to do right away is to add captions and remove the pauses. So you can see we have a bottom toolbar here with all the different tools and stuff that we can use, and if I click on the actual clip itself, that toolbar changes and presents me with some different options. That's how I can adjust the volume, the speed, all these different things. And if I just want the general tools to kind of conduct something to the whole video, then you would click off of the clip. And you can see you have CC right here, captions. So let's just click on that and it's gonna generate our captions. Very simple. And now once it generates those captions, you can see they come in at their respective, the correct points that I'm saying them. You can click the edit button. I can edit what they say. I can change the style to be kind of more of a different font. You can notice that these are basically the same fonts I think that you have within like your Instagram stories and stuff like that. All right, so I like this one here. I'm gonna go with modern bold. I can change the color of the text itself. So let's maybe do white text, and can I do a background here? Oh, okay, so you can basically pick an outline. You can do a little animation style. So yeah, this is all you need, and for free. All this to be free built in, whereas CapCut is gonna charge you $20 a month to even have access to any of these features, right? Definitely feels like a better bang for your buck. There's even more effects I can go to here, so I can have it wavy, refracted, whatever. I can choose a particular word that I want to highlight. So this is very cool. This is all you need. So I could cut that part out by just tapping on the video clip, make a split right at the beginning of the part I want to cut, and then make a split again right at the part where I begin now correcting myself. and I can just delete the chunk in the middle. Very simple. If I want to add a B-roll clip or have a photo pop up to complement my talking points, I can click overlay, gallery, and then I can go ahead into my gallery and add any photo that I want. It'll appear as a top layer, and then I can move it around that way. But when it comes to Instagram edits, in my opinion, this is really the star of the show here, and that's this audio button all the way at the bottom left here. And you can see we have access to the full library of trending audios on Instagram. All the licensed music, all the popular bands and artists that you guys know and love, all the songs that are, getting these crazy viral edits that cut to the beat and do all these cool cutout transitions and whatnot. All of that is available built in, and CapCut does not do that. Why are you not doing that? When we're done editing and we want to export the project, we have a few different options. We can go 2K, 4K, HD, 24 frames, 30 frames, or 60 frames, and you can even choose if you want the video to be HDR. So these are really cool options, again, to get for free right out the box. We decide what we want, we export it, and that's it. You've just edited a video in Instagram Edits. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see one just like it, but for CapCut, click right here.